everyone, my name is Khan Mohammad Wasil from Standard 3rd and today I am going to tell a story on strength. One day, two friends are playing near a well. One of was 7 years and other was 8 years old. Suddenly, the 8 years old boy fell down into the well. The 7 years old boy started crying, panic and wondering, what can he do now? However, at such time of tension, he looked different way. He pulled the boy out. Then he threw the bucket, tied a thick rope into the well, pulled out his friend all by himself. The boy who fell down into the well was shocked and he thanked his friend for saving his life. The most important question here is that from where did the 7 years old boy got the courage to save his friend's life? He used his strength at right time. The moral of the story is we all have power to do. Use your strength at right time. Thank you.